32nd week of 2024. This is the new tire which is getting unwrapped. The new tire is installed on the rim and this is how it looks. Now it's time to fit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take my RS 457 to replace its front tire. Finally it's time to change it, and today it's 1st of May, and let me show you the readings on my bike. So this bike has clocked approx 20,000 kilometers, that is 19,934 kilometers. The bike is 13 months old, and you can see the condition of the tire, the wear indicator. It has matched the surface of the tire, which means that it's time to change the tire. The rear tire was changed at 13,000 kilometers. This is the same Eurogrip ProTorque Extreme. Now when it comes to the front tire, it has done 20,000 kilometers. Usually the front tire lasts way more than the rear tire. I have experienced this in my previous bike also, and now finally at 20,000 kilometers it's time to change this tire as well, because I can feel that the front end is not that grippy as of now. So I will have to change this tire. Which tire am I going to install? Where am I going to install? What would be the cost? Everything will be covered in this video, so you don't want to miss any part of this video. Hence, let's get started with the video. The time is 12:35 and it's scorching hot. I plan to go out in the evening, but I have some work at home, so I'll have to do it in the afternoon only. It's so different. Outside temperature is so hot and the bike says cold. I need to wait till the bike gets warmed up. On my previous bike I had the Metzeler's M7. Even that front tire lasted for around 21 or 22,000 kilometers. I'm sure if you just want to do city commutes, the condition of my tire can do it. But I take this bike often on the weekend rides where I push the bike to its limits. It's very important to have good grip. Hence I decided to change it soon. And also the company recommends the same. If you see the tire wear indicator, it clearly states that it's time to change the tire. And hence I have headed out for changing the tire on my RS. If you haven't seen the video where I changed the rear tire, you can watch it. I'll put the link in the description section down below. Because it's Telangana Formation Day, the roads are so empty. I'm getting a chance to twist the throttle more than usual while riding in the city. I wish if the road stays empty like this, it will be breeze to travel to work every day. But unfortunately that's not true. Everyone is on holiday today, hence the roads are super empty. Because of less traction on the front wheel, the ABS intervention has even increased further. Already the ABS is a lot intrusive on the 457, but after the wear of the front tire, it has further increased, and that's why I need to change the front tire. And I am almost reaching the Motoplex Hyderabad showroom. So this is the Motoplex Hyderabad showroom where I will be installing the front tire of my motorcycle. My bike is inside the showroom and the technician is opening the axle. He is the technician who always works on my motorcycle, and his name is Ismail Bhai. क्या बोलते हैं इस्माइल भाई? कभी भी वीडियो में नहीं बोलते, कुछ तो बोलो ऑडियंस के लिए. So Ismail Bhai says whatever issues you have, I am there to fix. After the front wheel is removed, they don't have the equipment to replace the tire over here. So the tire will be taken to a wheel alignment shop. Over there they will replace the tire. They are using the flat jack in order to elevate the front part of the motorcycle, and only then the tire can be removed. You can see the bike is lifting. The front wheel is removed, and this is how it looks. This is the condition of the tire. Now this entire assembly will be taken to the wheel alignment center where the new tire will be installed on this. This is how my bike looks after the tire is removed from it. This is the new tire which is getting unwrapped. It says Euro grip over here. So it's the same tire which was there on my motorcycle, and you can see it says Euro grip. And tire size दिखाओ भैया.
110
Yeah. हाँ. 110 70 ZR17. It's a W rated tire. 32/24, 32nd week of 2024. So this is a relatively very new tire. Since both of these tires are same, even the stock tire was Eurogrip ProTorque Extreme. You can see over here ProTorque Extreme, and this tire is also Eurogrip ProTorque Extreme. But the only difference is when you get the stock motorcycle, you get an Aprilia branding on the tire, whereas when you buy it aftermarket, you don't get the Aprilia branding, because the actual manufacturer of this tire is TVS, whereas Aprilia has partnered with TVS, hence they are having this tire with the mark of Aprilia. Both the tires are exactly same. Same goes with my rear tire. When I changed the rear tire at 13,000 kilometers, even the rear tire does not have a Aprilia mark on that, but it's the same stock tire. The sticker says Eurogrip ProTorque Extreme 110/70 ZR17, and it has 3 years of unconditional warranty and 5 years of manufacturing warranty. It's a very good tire, and I must say this particular tire is way much better than the Michelin Pilot Street and the Metzeler M7s, because I have used both of those tires in my Duke 390. But the level of confidence that the ProTorque Extreme gives, it's at another level. And I've also heard that these are better than the Michelin M5s, which is almost double the rate of the ProTorque Extreme. The new tire is installed on the rim, and this is how it looks. Now it's time to fit new tire with the wheel onto the motorcycle. So the tire is fitted. You can see it is brand new, and I'll have to be careful while riding this motorcycle because the tire needs some time to break in for a couple of kilometers, at least 50 or 100 kilometers. I should take it gently, only then I can attack the corners aggressively. So there will be no difference in the performance of the motorcycle. It will perform like it was new because it's the same Eurogrip ProTorque Extreme. And a big thanks to Motorplex Hyderabad. If you want to purchase this tire, you have to come to Motorplex Hyderabad. It's available offline, and I'll tell you, online you might find cheaper deals on the same tires, but the stock of the tire won't be new. I showed you the manufacturing month and the year, so that you need to check. If the tire is very old, it makes no sense to go for that tire because the grip levels changes over time. So you need to make sure that you have to check the manufacturing year before buying the tire. Hence I suggest you buy it from the offline market, and if you are from Hyderabad, you can come to the Motorplex Hyderabad dealership to purchase the tire. I'll post the link in the description section down below. Also, coming to the cost of the tire, it costed 6,500 rupees for the tire with the replacement at the dealership. So it included the replacement cost as well as the tire cost. So this is all I wanted to share about the RS457 because it has clocked 20,000 kilometers and now the tire is also changed. And it's time to close this video. I hope you have found it useful. If yes, do subscribe to my channel, press the like icon. I'll also share your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.